Wait, what? The McDonald's we know was taken? I'm about to blow your mind with the craziest business story ever. Dick and Mac literally created fast food in the 40s. They invented the fast food system that we all use today. And by the 50s, they were making millions. Then this guy, Ray Kroc, shows up and he is dead broke. He sees their genius and he goes, I want that. He smooth talks his way in to getting them 0.5% royalties for the rest of their life. Huge plot twist. He takes everything and kicks them out in the 60s with a handshake promise and never pays them. That 0.5%, $300 million a year. McDonald's is a $200 billion empire, and the real founders were erased from history until 2016. So now you know the real tea. Drop your verdict in the comment section. Was Ray Kroc a business genius who saw a great opportunity? Or was he a ruthless businessman who played dirty to get what he wanted? And if this story shocked you as much as it shocked me, smash that like button.